Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're going to tune every string down one whole step to E flat. First, confirm standard tuning so you know your reference. Use a chromatic tuner, clip or app, and pluck the low E while turning the peg slowly. Once the low E reads D#/E flat, move to the string. Make gradual turns. Rapid detuning stresses strings and the neck. Keep your thumb on the back of the headstock for control and mute other strings so the tuner reads cleanly. Now tune each string down one whole step. Low E to D#, E flat, A to G#, D to C#, G to F#, B to A#, high E to D#. Tune low to high so tension changes are predictable. Once all strings read their new pitches, gently stretch each string by pulling it away from the fretboard and retune. Do this 2 times. This evens out slack and stabilizes tuning. Make sure the tuner reads the target note consistently before moving on. To finish, play open chords and a fretted scale to check intonation and feel. If notes sound sharp at the 12th fret, adjust bridge saddles. If flat, move saddle back. Once done, restring if old strings won't hold tuning. If tuning drifts after stretching, repeat the stretch and tune cycle. One key troubleshooting tip: if the neck twists or buzzing appears after detuning, stop and check truss rod relief. Too much change can require a small truss rod adjustment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.